From the location of the Naval Velikada Rajagiriya junction, the proposed with the interchange there, the proposed elevated expressway must proceed from the Velikada junction on the towards on along the what we call the Kota road, Kota road, that is not along the now Sri Javadrapura Kote the highway is already there is a proposed elevated road that has proposed already. So the other part from Velikada Rajagiri, it must split and then move towards with the interchanging the Velikada Rajagiri junction, it must go as elevated road, the expressway from above the the Kota road. Kota Road, Dr. N.M. Pereira Road, passing the Sri Lanka Communist Party, former head office is there, and then join the Borala Junction. Then from Borala Junction, passing above the Borala Junction, this elevated expressway must move towards Punchi Borala. I think, and from Punchi Borala, it must move above the other crossing expressway from side of the National Hospital of Sri Lanka towards the baseline road that passes through the All Saints and the Botry junction. Above that, another expressway towards Maradana junction. And also, I think once we consider the Kota road, and already the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has approved, and Mr. Mahinda Rajapaksa has already started the Velikada Vanathamulla Kolonnava to Dematagoda to the Kalani Bridge Expressway. So I think, however, once you consider the Dr. N.M. Pereira Mawatha, the Kota road, from Velikada junction, when you enter the Kota road, Dr. N.M. Pereira Mawatha, once you pass along it, near the location where the Odell warehouse is located, along the Kota road or the Dr. N.M. Pereira Mawatha, there's a road towards towards the Kolonnava. That road is towards Kolonnava, Ceylon Petroleum Corporation, pumping wholesale pumping station for which is meant for normal fuel tankers. So that has to be another elevated road from there, from Dr. N.M. Pereira Mawatha Kota road near the Odell warehouse, along the Kota road to it must split towards the Kolonnava side from that particular junction where the Odell warehouse is located currently. From Odell Fashion warehouse, so then from towards Kolonnava there is a small stretch of road because that cannot accommodate Sipetco oil tankers that arrive at the Kolonnava or fuel storage to get the fuel across the country. So there has to be another expressway towards the Sipetco fuel refilling location, and then it must move towards Kolonnava junction where Kolonnava Rajamaha Viharaya and the cemetery is located. So that and also the from currently I think the lower level road that comes joins Kolonnava from Vallampitiya, it moves towards the lower level road is in a pathetic situation. It's not like the high level road which is a four-way lane, but the lower level road from Vallampitiya to Kotikawath, it passes towards Avissavella side. That road to Ratnapura, Hangwell, Ratnapura, that road is very pathetic. It's not still like the, high level road. The low level road must be developed on the ground as normal to a 4-level road because there is enough land on the side of it, since that area is not developed because there is no road now. So this particular road must, expressway in Kolon that comes to the Rajamaha Viharaya Kolonnava premises location must split towards, the Vallampitiya junction and accordingly join the high level road, and also from the Rajamaha Vihara Kolonnava and the cemetery, that location, it must move towards the Sipetco other entrance where the trains come to collect fuel from the Sipetco, the oil refinery distribution facility in Dematagoda, and there is a Botry there. It splits Y junction. Colombo Criminal Division is on one side in the towards Dematagoda Junction Road. Other one is from heading also towards the passing, the Colombo, Dematagoda, and between Dematagoda and the President Premadas's flyover. That particular junction, it must split from the, Borella, this particular Dematagoda, rather, where the current railway transport system is there to collect oil through the railway connection to the Sipetco, this particular location in Neethatamulla, Botri location. From there, it must come forward, since due to the trains often coming to collect the oil storages, oil in the morning every day, there's a huge traffic there. So this expressway road network on towers must proceed passing from Kolonnavar towards this Botri junction above the this rail track near the Sipetco entrance in Dematagoda, and then it splits towards Dematagoda junction across along the Colombo Criminal Division is located there. That road, there must be elevated road, because it's not possible to expand it further due to a lot of Muslim people's business interests are located. So we must not broad base the road by demolishing these business locations, even though sometimes they are not authorized. But then that is a major because it cannot be, ground road cannot be expanded due to these reasons. So there has to be elevated road, while the existing commercial establishments and houses must be there as it is, without inconveniencing the Sri Lankan Muslim community who are spread in that area. So above that, there must be elevated road to Dematagoda, and other road when it splits from the Botri after passing the Kolonnavar oil, this oil rail track junction, the other part it must move towards the other side of the baseline road again, and then from Dematagoda, once the expressway must proceed along the Dematagoda police station and that road where the current Dematagoda police station is located. From there, it must join the Maradana road, because that road is highly populated and it's not possible to expand. It will cause a lot of inconvenience to Sri Lankan Muslim population along this area. So now and also from where after passing the Dematagoda junction, there is a small stretch, as I mentioned earlier, like underneath, like a ground towards a road, as a narrow road called School Lane, towards the Panchikawat road. There has to be an elevated road above the current Maradana Fort Railway bridge, which is located on the School Lane, above it towards the Panchikawat road. I think this would permanently solve all traffic problems related to this whole Colombo city and also the Colombo suburbs areas.